What is up, guys? So today, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus got the June security update, and today I'm going to be installing the update and just going over everything that's new. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so as I'm going to be installing it, I'm going to tell you the bugs that I've noticed with the May security update. So yeah, it definitely wasn't a good experience. The cameras were definitely really bad. Like I did a separate video on that. I'll leave it down in the description or it's just on my channel if you want to check it out. But like the cameras were super inconsistent. Like it would not take a good photo, like really at all, which I'm not quite sure why. Um, because like obviously this phone has great cameras. I think it was just the processing and maybe some stuff like that. So hopefully the June security update can fix all that. So let's just go ahead and yeah, finish the update. Okay, so it started to turn on, so let's just wait for it to continue. I'm actually excited to see all the new improvements and everything on this update. So I'm going to, once it installs and everything, I'm going to use this for probably like a few minutes, obviously, and just let my experience with it after that amount of time. So just optimizing all the apps, so that should go pretty fast. Yep, I'm just gonna probably stay at 99% for maybe a few seconds, 100%. Okay. But yeah, so let me know down in the comments if you have the S24 Plus, if you've been experiencing this issue, or if it's just kind of me. A few other people, like Tech in a Nutshell, said that his friend was experiencing this issue, so I think it kind of depends on what unit you have. So yeah, let's go ahead and just use this and see. Oh, wrong pin. And just see, how everything works. So I'll be right back. Okay, so everything does work. I noticed that the cameras actually work a lot better. The colors are more natural now, so that's really good. I'll be letting you guys know everything in the next probably week if the cameras have improved. I'll give an update to my last video. But yeah, so everything's pretty much good. And have you guys noticed that the Apple website is down? Hold on. Like literally like nothing's working. So you go to Mac. I think the Macs might work, but like mostly everything else is down. That's kind of weird. But yeah, so let me know what you think about the June security update in the comments and if your phone has received it yet. And like always, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then.